Open the Google Doc where the desired image is located in. Right-click the image that you want to download. Click View More Actions. Then click Save to Keep. After the menu on the right loads, click the picture and then Done. Open a new tab and go to Google Keep. Right-click the image and select Save Image As. Name your file the desired name. The image will be downloaded in your desired folder and file name. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.